Welcome back to Yahoo Finance Live. We're seeing a bit of a split picture right now on Wall Street, although the Dow is down, just trading pretty flat right now. The NASDAQ up 13 and the S&P 500 just up 2. Let's bring in Jared Blikre for the latest on the market action. Of course, Jared, you've been keeping close watch on those meme stocks too. We were talking about Clover Health yesterday. There's another name that's surging in the session today too.
Yes, there is. I'm checking out AEMD. That is the ticker. And on the Wi-Fi Interactive in the upper left, no, that is not a mistake. That is up 345%. Had been up as much as about 450%. Here's a 1-month chart. I'll tell you, a 2-day chart probably tells you all you need to know. Aethlon Medical making the rounds in the Wall Street Bets, the Reddit forum, and I checked them out. They make an interesting medical device. It helps filter the blood. It's been used in 2 patients. I'm not touting the company, but I just want to show some longer term charts here. This is very key. And I think it says a lot about a lot of these stocks because most of these stocks are coming off of very, very depressed levels. So you can see on a 5-year basis, still down 87%. This is a biotech company. So you're going to have big spikes in there because a lot of times it's just a binary option on what the FDA is going to do or how their phase 1, 2, 3 trials go. Now, here's a 10-year look. You can see it hit almost 400 all the way up there. But I'll show you something else. Here's a max chart. So apparently it IPO'd in the early 2000s at a price that was not 6,000. I can guarantee that. When the stock price shrinks or goes lower, then they reverse split, and they must have done that several times. But the point here is you can see the stock is down almost 100%. So a lot of these stocks have similar patterns. It's kind of a caveat emptor. It's up today, but who knows what tomorrow is going to bring.
It's always a surprise when we're talking about the meme stocks. Jared, also, we got that news on Robinhood. This is an IPO we've been waiting on for some time. It looks like it's going to be delayed yet again.
Yeah, where they're targeting July now. This is really interesting. On the other side of these discussions, writing the S1 registration statements and qualifying them with the SEC. It can be a long process, and sometimes you hit stumbling blocks with the SEC. They want you to disclose something. You don't want to say it that way. And sometimes it's insoluble. I don't think that's going to be the case here. I think they come to market. But interestingly, I was looking for their financials. Now, they have to file, Robinhood Securities files annual reports called a focus report with FINRA. I was looking through that for some clues. Didn't really see a lot there. But when this comes to market, if it's before August 14th, they only have to include financials as of March 31st. If it's after August, then they have to go to June. So that's what I'm looking at here.